Are you guys coming to see? Oh, you can do it.
Push. Push, Fatima, push. Oh!
Oh my god, you're pregnant! Oh my god, congrats!
Oh my god, you so pregnant. Hi. What's up? Who that? That's your baby father?
In my goddamn closet. God damn it. Come on, Roseanne. You got this. You are a strong black woman. I know, mama.
That one's pregnant, Alana. Oh, we need to take her out.
Oi, go. Oi, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more footwork.
My name is Gabby. I'm 12 years old, and I'm pregnant as fuck.
I know, baby. You're doing so good. I know, baby. It hurt. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Get that baby kitten. Is it coming? You guys, my cat just gave birth, and I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.